Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to complete our previous unit which we have started. Yes, unit number 11, preposition. So now let's start and see what we are going to do today. Yes, today we are going to do ask and answer. Ask and answer, and it's page number 64. Okay, first of all we have this picture. You have to look at this picture carefully. Yes, and I'm going to ask you few questions regarding this picture, and you have to give me answer by using prepositions. Yes, so let's see, where is teddy bear? Okay, we can see there are many things on the bed. There is a gift box. There is a chair. Study chair is in front of the table. There is a bicycle beside the bed. The doll is on the bed. There is a watch in the window. Okay, and here we can see there is teddy bear in the window also. Okay, there is a scooty in front of the bed. The bag is beside the bed. And there is a table in between the beds. Okay, so you have to look at the picture carefully. Now I am going to ask you few questions. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Where is the study chair? Yes, where is the study chair? The study chair is in front of the study table. Yes, the study chair is in front of the study table. Okay, and where is the computer? Yes, you can see in the picture the computer is in front of the computer is on the table. Yes, the computer is on the table. Okay, and now tell me, where is the scooty? Yes, where is the scooty? Yes, the scooty is in front of the bed. You can see in the picture the scooty is in front of the bed. And where is the bag? So look at the picture carefully and tell me, where is the bag? Yes, bag is beside the bed. Yes, we can see the bag is beside the bed. Okay, you can see there is also another thing beside the bed. Yes, study table is also beside the bed. Study table is also beside the bed. Okay, now tell me, where is the watch? Yes, where is the watch? The watch is in the window. The watch is in the window. Okay, and where is the balloon? Where is the balloon? Yes, the balloon is above the bed. You can see in the picture, the balloon is above the bed. And where is the bicycle? Yes, the bicycle is near the bed. You can see in the picture the bicycle is near the bed. Okay, and where is the skating board? Where is the skating board? Yes, the skating board is beside the bicycle. The skating board is beside the bicycle. And where is the bookshelf? Yes, the bookshelf is over the bed. The bookshelf is over the bed. And where is the study table? Yes, the study table is under the bookshelf. The study table is under the shelf. You can see here, the study table is under the shelf. In the same way, you have to ask and answer. You have to practice it at home with your siblings and with your friends. Now let's move to the next activity, which is learn to write. And here what we are going to do, yes, there are some fill in the blanks and we are going to complete them. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. So now first of all we are going to have a look at the pictures and then we are going to solve them. Okay, now look at the first one. Where is the boy? You can see in the picture. Yes, sit carefully and tell, where is the boy? Yes, he is dash the tree. He is dash the tree. So what will be the answer? Yes, he is under the tree. He is under the tree. Now look at the next one. Where are the apples? Where are the apples? Yes, you can see in the picture. Where are the apples? They are dash the basket. They are dash the basket. Yes, they are in the basket. You can see in the picture. They are in the basket. Now look at the last picture. Where is the car? Where is the car? It is dash the van. It is dash the van. Yes, as you can see in the picture, the car is behind the van. Yes, it is behind the van. It is behind the van. Now let's move to the next activity, which is let's talk. And what we are going to do in let's talk, getting permission before using others' belongings. Yes, how to get permission before using others' belongings. Yes, and what's the meaning of belongings? Yes, things. For example, I have a watch and you are using my watch or my pencil without my permission, so it's mean you are using my belongings without my permission. In the same way, today we are going to learn how to get permission before using others' things or belongings so that we can talk in English. Okay, so let's start. Here we have Zahra and Faiza and they are going to talk. So let's start. Is it not my pencil, Faiza? Of course it is yours. I need a pencil to write with. Don't you think you should ask me for it? Sorry, I'm really sorry. Where's your own pencil? I don't know where it is. It is lost. Oh, I'm sorry. You can take this pencil. I have an extra pencil. Jazakumullah. Okay students, in the same way you have to practice at home with your siblings and friend, and you have to do it for more than 5 times so that you can also know how to take permission before taking others things. Okay, and now let's move to our next activity, which is word bank. And what we are going to learn today in word bank, yes, today we are going to learn names of days and you are going to revise it with me. I hope आप लोगों को पहले से ही आते होंगे, तो एक बार फिर से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं इन्हें. मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे. So let's read them one more time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And what you are going to do with them now, yes, you have to do them on your you have to write them on your neat notebook, and don't forget to learn them by heart. You have to learn all these spellings by heart so you are able to tell the spellings correctly. And the next activity which we are going to do also related to it, and if you will not learn them correctly, so you will not be able to do that activity. So let's see what we are going to do next, and I will show you how you are going to do on your neat copy at the end of this video. So let's move to our next activity. So our next activity is student activity, and what you are going to do in this, yes, these are names of days and they are not in order, and you are going to write them in order. और ये कैसे possible होगा if you have learned them properly and if you have learned them by heart, because these spellings are not in order. You are going to put them in order and after that you are going to write them in these boxes. So you have to learn all these spellings by heart. Now let me show you how you are going to do this. You can pause the video and you can write your answer, and after that you can match these answers. Now let me show you answers. Okay students, you are going to write your answer neatly like this, and don't forget to write them. Write the first letter capital, and your writing should be really neat and clean. So now let's move to the next activity, which is revision time. It's mean we are going to revise the previous learned thing. So let's move to our next activity. So let's start revision time. Tick the correct adjective for each picture. Here are some pictures and we are going to correct the correct adjective for the picture. So let's start and let's see at the first picture. Look at the first picture. Yes, it's bitter gourd. किस किस को अच्छा लगता है bitter gourd खाने में? किसी को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. ये तो बहुत मज़े का होता है, सबको खाना चाहिए. और bitter gourd जैसे कि आप लोगों को नेम से ही लग रहा है, it will be bitter or sweet. Yes, it will be bitter. Now look at the next picture. Yes, we can see a boy in the picture and the boy is walking. So the boy is active or lazy? The boy is walking, so boy is active or lazy? Yes, we can see in the picture the boy is active. So we will take active. Now look at the next picture. Is here we can see the knife and bread. Knife and bread. So and the knife is sharp or blunt? The knife is sharp or blunt? So knife is sharp. As you can see in the picture, it is cutting the bread. Now look at the next one. There are two boys and they are playing with water pistol. So they are good boys or bad boys? So they are bad boys because they seem some naughty kind of boys. So they are bad boys. Now let's move to the next one. Yes, here we have turtle. And turtle is fast or slow? Yes, turtle is slow. So take the slow. Turtle is slow. Now look at the next one is clown. Clown. And clown is funny or serious? Yes, clown is funny. So we are going to take funny. In the same way, you have to do practice at home and do your work neatly. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. अच्छे से अपना lesson learn करें और neatly अपना homework करें. Allah Hafiz.